Why did a brain like yours evolve? The obvious answer is to think. Many people believe that brains evolved in some kind of upward progression, say from lower animals to higher animals, with the most sophisticated thinking brain of all, the human brain, at the top. After all, thinking is the human superpower, right? Well, the obvious answer turns out to be wrong. In fact, the idea that our brains evolved for thinking has been the source of many profound misconceptions about mental life. To understand how your brain actually works and what its most important job is, we have to go back about 500 million years, give or take, when the Earth entered what scientists call the Cambrian period. This is the period when animals began to actually hunt one another. Hunting started an arms race of sorts between predators and prey. The most critical question in existence became, is that blob in the distance good to eat, or will it eat me? Creatures who could better sense their surroundings and who could move with more agility were more likely to survive. And evolution favored those who performed these tasks efficiently. After all, if an animal chased a meal too slowly, something else gobbled it up first. And if a creature burned up energy fleeing from a threat that never arrived, it wasted precious energy that it might need later. Energy efficiency was and is a key to survival. You can think about energy efficiency like a budget. A financial budget tracks money as it's earned and spent. A budget for your body similarly tracks resources like water, salt, and glucose as you gain and lose them. Each action spends resources, like swimming and running. It's like a withdrawal from your account. And actions that replenish your resources, like eating and sleeping, are like deposits. Every action you take or don't take is an economic choice. Your brain is guessing when to spend resources and when to save them. So the value of any movement is intimately tied up with body budgeting. Creatures before the Cambrian period controlled their bodies with just a handful of body budgeting cells. As hunting drove animals to evolve bigger bodies with more systems to maintain, their handful of body budgeting cells also evolved to become brains. As evolution progressed over the next 500 million years, the Earth became littered with complicated brains of all kinds, including yours. Your brain is miraculous. Right now, as you hear these words, your brain is supervising over 600 muscles in your body and balancing dozens of hormones coursing through your blood, which is pumping at a rate of over a gallon a minute. At the same time, your brain is regulating the energy of billions of its brain cells, digesting food, excreting waste, and fighting illness. And this biological symphony runs non-stop for your entire life. So your brain's most important job is not thinking. Its most important job is to run a budget for your body efficiently so you can spend when you need to and save when you don't, which helps you survive and thrive. And ultimately, to perform nature's most important task, which is passing your genes on to the next generation.